Today, I'll show you how to create Microsoft Forms in Teams. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a form or a quick poll directly into a channel or chat so your team can respond without ever leaving Microsoft Teams. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. You can use either the desktop app or the web version in your browser. The process is the same. Make sure you're signed in with the correct work or school account so you have access to the right teams and channels. Once Teams is open, decide where you want your form to live. You can add a form to a team channel where everyone in that team can see and respond, or you can use a chat, which is better for smaller groups or more focused conversations. On the left-hand side, click into the team and channel or the chat where you want to work with your form. With your channel or chat open, look toward the top of the window. You'll see a row of tabs such as posts, files, and maybe others your team already uses. To add forms as a new tab, click the plus icon labeled Add a Tab. This plus button is the key to extending Teams with extra apps, and Forms is one of the built-in options that works really well here. After you click the plus icon, a window will appear showing a gallery of apps you can add. In this list, look for Forms. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top and type Forms to quickly find it. Once you see the Forms icon, click it to start setting things up. Now you'll be prompted to choose what you want to do with Forms in this tab. Here you can create a brand new form or set up a poll. Creating a new form is great if you need something more detailed like a survey, feedback form, or questionnaire with multiple questions and different types of answers. A poll is best for quick decisions or check-ins, such as choosing a meeting time, voting on a topic, or getting a fast yes or no response. If you're creating a new form, give it a clear descriptive title so your team immediately knows what it's about. You can then start adding questions. Use simple wording and make sure each question has the right response type, like multiple choice, text, or rating. As you build, keep in mind how your team will see and answer it directly within Teams. If you're setting up a poll, you usually only need a short question and a few options to choose from. Keep it brief and straightforward so people can answer quickly. Once you're happy with your form or poll, confirm your choices so that Forms is added as a tab in the channel or chat. After that, your form is ready for your team to use. Everyone with access to that channel or chat will see the new Forms tab at the top, and they can open it, respond, and see results if you've allowed that. This keeps everything organized in one place and makes collecting input much smoother. And that's it. You've learned how to create Microsoft Forms in Teams by opening Teams, choosing your channel or chat, adding Forms as a tab, and then creating a new form or poll.